Let's say you want to display many pictures and you want to add a transition between each picture. Start by setting KDenlive up with 5 video tracks. To do this, go to Settings, configure KDenlive, Project Defaults, and this is where you set up your video tracks. Now, to start on video 1, place your first picture, go to Effects, Compositions, take your wipe effect, add it to your picture. I'm going to use bar horizontal, and what that's going to do is it's going to just swipe to the right and open up your first picture. Take your second picture, add it up top, and grab your wipe, drag your bottom picture right up to the end of that first wipe, set your wipe up for another bar horizontal, and that will wipe to the right. Okay, fast forward, I've added a picture to every video track, but once I get to the 5th video track, I dropped my picture down on the first video track, and you're going to see that it's not going to transition the way I would like it to. There you go. So what you do to fix this is place your cursor near the start of your next picture and zoom in, and take your scissors and come right about here and cut. Now we'll zoom out again. We'll move this guy to track 2, and we'll bring the wipe up to track 2 as well, and we'll bring this right below. And now you're going to get the transition you want. And now you could keep going up in tracks to track number 5 and do the same thing with your next 5 sets of pictures.